Hey guys, Foxy Forex Trader here, back with another daily Forex analysis and setups for your New York and London session. So let's get started with a Euro USD trade idea. Let me just hide the position for now. So let me explain what we got. We got this 4-hour fair value gap, which we have seen when it inverts closed, it's been using it as support. Pushed higher. Now we want to see it retest again. We also have this 4-hour order block, these candles, because it swept liquidity. So simply I want to see test the order block into the fair value gap, stops below these lows, target the highs for a sweep for 1 to 2.37. Okay. Next, we have a USDJPY trade idea. So if we go on the 4-hourly, we see that we have this fair value gap here, and we also have all of this liquidity here. So what I want to see is price go up, sweep all of this liquidity, go into the 4-hour fair value gap, come back, retest it, and then target these lows or these lows, which would be a 1 to 7 or 1 to 2.38 trade. Okay. Next, we have a US500 trade. So we have this 1-hour fair value gap. We have this liquidity here. So same thing. I want to see price sweep liquidity, go into the fair value gap, go below it, and then take a nice little short position. Stops above the highs of the fair value gap and target the lows. All of these lows right here to be swept for 1 to 1.75. Okay. Next, USD CAD trade idea. So we have 4-hour fair value gap. It's similar to the UJ trade idea. We have all of this liquidity right here, basically. All of this liquidity that's just hanging around. I want to see price sweep all of the liquidity, go into the 4-hour fair value gap, back, retest, and come back for the lows. And looking for something like that, 1 to 2 trade. Gold, it's a bit far away, but this is sort of what I'm looking for. It's not going to happen anytime soon, but this 4-hour fair value gap, I want to see price come back to it and then go up. I don't think it's going to happen this London-New York session, probably next New York-London session. With gold, we could also be seeing a sweep of these highs. And after a sweep of these highs, you could look for short-term sells, potentially. So we can see going up before it goes down. So that's a possibility. GU, similar to EU. We have this price gap, which is always something you want to look for. And then we also have this 4-hour fair value gap because it's swept liquidity. So this order block, and simply want to just see pretty much the same thing, something like this. We could put our trade below these lows or these lows and target these highs, possibly even these highs. And Audi, nothing really interesting. This isn't a trade I'm taking yet. I might execute it, but I'm not 100% sure yet because we could sweep this liquidity into this fair value gap. So I just have this marked out, but I'm not necessarily taking it yet. And then Bitcoin, I'm waiting for Bitcoin to, let's go on the daily, sweep these lows into this fair value gap or even these lows. These lows are kind of extreme. I wouldn't like it to go down to here since I'm bullish on crypto, but it's a possibility. I don't think we're gonna go any lower than that, but it's a possibility. This looks very promising. These levels are just hanging, and we have been going in a downtrend, so it's a possibility. And I think that is about it for the setups. Let's do a trade breakdown, NASDAQ trade breakdown. So, opening. We opened at, where is it? 9 o'clock here. So, I looked at the charts. What do I see? On the hourly, we have this order block formed. We have this candle that swept liquidity. So that becomes the order block. So I wanted price to go into that order block. And if we bring it down to the 5-minute, we have this this liquidity. I wanted to see it sweep this liquidity, which it did. Swept liquidity, went into the order block, and we brought it down even further onto the 1-minute. Fair value gap formed. We inverted the fair value gap. This wasn't my exact entry. It was more, it's probably like here because I waited for it to close. You always want it to close. You want to wait for the close. Don't rush it. And then my stops were below here. And my take profit, I did not hold all the way there because bank holiday. And I thought price was not going to go up much higher. I thought it was just going to consolidate. So I closed like almost at the tippy top. It was like somewhere here for one to one basically. But still a good trade. I think if it wasn't a bank holiday, we would have more volatility and it'd go up higher. But yeah, I could have waited for this, but I'm still happy with the trade. So yeah, if you guys liked the video, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if you have any questions. More to come, more Forex analysis. I'm going to start posting my ideas on crypto and the cryptos that I'm holding, the coins that I'm holding. I want to start analyzing those bad boys. And yeah, more good things to come. And I'll see you guys in the next one. All right, peace.